Why is data governance crucial in data monetization? Is it just a buzzword or does it hold real-world significance? Unveiling the answers to these questions will open up a new perspective on the vast world of data. Data governance is the cornerstone of data management. It is the framework that ensures the data's integrity, security, and usability. But how does this link to data monetization, the process of converting data into a valuable asset? To illustrate this, consider the story of a multinational retail corporation. This corporation, let's call it RetailCo, had hundreds of stores worldwide. RetailCo collected vast amounts of data daily, from customer preferences to sales figures. However, they struggled to monetize this data effectively. It was like sitting on a gold mine but not knowing how to extract the gold. RetailCo decided to implement a comprehensive data governance strategy. They began by identifying what data they had, where it was stored, and who had access to it. They established rules and regulations to ensure the data's quality and integrity, and they implemented robust security measures to protect it. Did these steps make a difference? Absolutely. RetailCo was now able to use their data more effectively. They could identify trends and make data-driven decisions. They could also sell valuable insights to their suppliers and partners, opening up a new revenue stream. In RetailCo's case, data governance was the key to unlocking the value of their data. It allowed them to control their data, understand it, and use it to their advantage. It was not just a buzzword, but a vital tool for data monetization. So, what does this tell us about the role of data governance in data monetization? Firstly, it underscores the importance of understanding and managing data. Without a clear understanding of what data is available, its origins, and its characteristics, it's impossible to maximize its value. Secondly, it highlights the need for quality and integrity in data. Data is only as valuable as its accuracy and reliability. Data governance ensures that data is clean, consistent, and trustworthy. Lastly, it emphasizes the significance of data security. Data is a valuable asset, but it can also be a liability if it falls into the wrong hands. Data governance protects data, safeguarding the organization's reputation and the privacy of its customers. In conclusion, data governance is not just a buzzword, it is a critical component of data monetization. It provides the foundation for understanding, managing, and protecting data, enabling organizations to unlock its full value. So the next time you hear about data governance, remember the story of RetailCo and consider the true value of well-governed data.